Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about creating different layers in the wall, right? Which that means is if you're wondering like how we can create different layers within the wall, and then you want to create like outer side, maybe finishing layer of a brick separately if you want to manage that. Like in this video you can see this is the brick wall is typically under the beam, and consider that steel beam as an RC beam, right? And then you have to apply the plaster layer to that beam, and then the brick is gonna stay under the beam, right? So you have to manage these layers separately. So how we can do that in this video, you see. Okay, so now we go to this REVIT, and I'll just click new, and then the architecture template. I just go with the architecture template, and now just please wait a bit. Okay, now we have it. Right, in this architecture tab, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just make a new wall. So I'll click the wall, and then go to this edit type. I'll create a new wall. Okay, so now I'm gonna have to duplicate it, and I just click the brick, click OK, and I'll go to this edit, and stretcher only have 150 thickness, and I will insert two layers. I want that to be finish 1, want that to be finish 2, and I'll move that up, and I'll move it down. So click on down and down. Alright, so now I will choose thickness. I want that to be 20 millimeter, and also this to be 20 millimeter. So for this example, I'm doing with this matrix unit. You can choose the imperial, whatever you like. It's completely fine. So now we can have this. We have this brick wall, and then we're gonna draw that wall here. The dimension doesn't matter for this purpose of the video, and I'll go that to this fine, and we can see that these are the plaster layers, and this is the brick, right? So now what we can do is, if we go to this 3D view and click to this wall, and only you see that this thing right here, you cannot manage the layers separately, right? So if you want to do that, just click on this brick wall and go to this edit type, and go to edit, go to preview. I'll just close it down a bit, and this view, well, you can see that this kind of like modify vertical structure is gray out in this plan view. So we have to change that to this section view, right? And these are all now turned on. So what I want to do is I want to just manage the exterior side of the wall. So this is the exterior side, and exterior side is the number 1. So typically when you have selected the exterior side, this thing, you can see this blue area here, right? So the thing I want to do is I want to manage this layer. Like I want to extend it up, or maybe extend it down. So what I can do, I can just click on this modify, and then just click this top side of this plaster layer, and you can see it's locked right here, right? So which means is this is always going to be aligned with this brick wall. So I don't want that. I want to manage that. So manage it separately. So you have to unlock it. So to unlock it, you have to be patient, because sometimes you have to wait for that lock to be the yellow color, and then you can click that. Now click that, and then it is unlocked. And now we go to this bottom side, same thing, just wait for that lock to be yellow, move around your mouse a bit, your cursor a bit, and okay, now unlock it. Okay, now we are all done, and click OK and OK. So now you can see these two arrows, right? So this is the plaster side, this is the exterior side, and now you can manage it separately. This is a very useful tool when you want to model things, you know, like specifically and accurately. You can just also type in the digits in this properties panel. This is the base extension distance, typically, which means this extension from this to this distance, right? So top constraint, I will do it to level 2, and base constraint is going to be level 1. So base extension distance, I want to minus 500. I'll just click that, and then it changes, right? So top extension distance, I want that to be 300 millimeter, and it changed. All right. So this is typically for how you can manage the layers separately within the wall in REVIT. I think this video helps you out with your REVIT learning journey. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you guys.